Welcome back. Depending on which version of ChatGPT that you have, you will see in some of your searches that there will be a sources element. You will also see sources in some paragraphs where ChatGPT picked up the information in order to deliver to you. This is the use of part of its search feature. And in some cases, you may find that ChatGPT will utilize search in order to keep you from hallucinations, even if search is not toggled on for that conversation. When you are starting a new conversation, you can toggle on the search element. And again, this is a new feature, typically inside of the paid account, depending on when you're seeing this. However, it could quite be possible that you could be seeing this as part of the free plan, depending on when you're watching. You can turn on the search element by clicking Search the Web. When you click Search the Web, you can use ChatGPT as you would any other search engine. You will notice that when you are using ChatGPT as a search engine that you don't have available to you the ability to upload files as part of your search. If we turn off search for this particular query, we then have access to be able to attach a file to upload as part of our query. Going back to the search engine, we can turn it on and we can then use ChatGPT as a search engine. And what you write in your query, you can then click enter. But what you will see is that when ChatGPT delivers the results to you, it will deliver cite in order to answer your query. If you click on this sources element at the bottom of your search, you'll typically see on the right side panel an element that says citations. You will then have those citations available directly to you. You will also see, if you scroll down under the citations, search results. So the citations will typically refer to the elements that you see on your main screen, and the search results are available here in the right side panel. Links are clickable outside of ChatGPT by clicking on the link designations. And you will then have access to the information in your browser. It's possible that you may want to go back in time to determine how you have searched and what you have searched for. And there are two ways to do it inside of ChatGPT. And we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.